Hey kids, welcome back to Moony. Today, we're gonna learn how to count with the Lego train. Look at all the pieces and look at all the colors. We have blue, like the ocean, red, like an apple, orange, like an orange, yellow, like a sunflower, green, like the trees, and purple. I love the color purple. Let's count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We did it! Let's build the train. All right. One, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. What comes after 3? That's right, 4. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6. What comes after 6? That's right, 7. 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We did it! Now let's put a roof on each one of our numbers. We'll put the orange roof on 1, 2, 3. We'll put the green roof on 4, 5, 6. And we'll put the blue roof on 7, 8, 9. Look, the train is done. Now it isn't a train without people. We have a little boy and a little girl, and they have a black cat. Wow. What does a train say? Choo-choo! Now we have the green on 1, 2, 3. We have the blue on 4, 5, 6. And we have the orange on 7, 8, 9. Choo-choo! do all the even numbers.
Yay!
2, 4, 6, 8. Choo-choo! Let's do all the odd numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9.
Yay!
Choo-choo!
Wow!
Thank you so much for learning how to count with me today. And don't forget, wave goodnight to the moon for me. Welcome back to Moony. Today we're gonna learn about shapes and build some stuff. Are you excited?
Yes!
I can't hear you. Are you excited?
Yes!
Me too. Let's build a city. Look, this is a rectangle. We'll use another rectangle. Next, we'll use this square with a circle. We'll add a square and a triangle for the roof. We did it!
Yay!
Now, we'll use a rectangle, another rectangle, a circle, another circle, and a triangle. Now we'll use a circle, another circle, another circle, another circle, and we'll use this bridge. Then we'll do a square with a circle again. And of course, a triangle. Let's make an all-green building. I'll use a green rectangle, another green rectangle, a green bridge, and a circle. Wow! That's really cool. Let's make one more. We'll do a rectangle, another rectangle, a square with a circle, another rectangle, and a half circle. We did it!
Yay!
Should we see how tall we can stack a building?
Yes!
That sounds like fun. Thank you so much for building with me today. And don't forget, wave goodnight to the moon for me. Welcome back to Moony. Today we're gonna learn how to match colors, numbers, and sizes with our Little Tikes cash register. How cool is that? Should we get into it?
Yes!
Welcome to Moony's Market. Today we're going to be using Moony money. Let's take a look at our currency. We have a small coin. Look, the small coin is orange and it has the number 1. That means it's the lowest value coin in our market. Let's look at the next one. We have a medium coin. The medium coin is purple and it has the number 2. That means it's the medium value coin of our market. Let's look at our large coins. Our large coin is yellow and it has the number 3. That means it's the highest value coin in our market. We also have the Moony dollar. This is for high value items. If any of our customers don't have Moony money, we also have a Moony card. Cool, right? For high value items, we have the Moony dollar. Ta-da! Let's play a matching game. In each slot, we have to match the numbers above. Should we do it?
Yes!
I can't hear you. Should we do it?
Yes!
Awesome! Let's go! We need a medium 2 and 2 small 1s. Can you help me find a medium 2? Good job! What would I do without you? Now we need 2 small 1 coins. Can you help me find those? You did it! Thank you so much! We did it!
Yay!
Let's do it again. We need 1 small coin, 1 medium coin, and 1 large coin. Do you think you can help me find those?
Yes!
Good job! Now we need a medium purple coin. Thanks so much! Now we need a yellow large coin. Wow, you're really good at this.
Wow!
You guys are the best. Let's do it one more time. Whoa! This one's a fun one. We need 1 purple medium coin, 1 Moony money bill, and 1 large yellow coin. Do you think you can help me find the purple medium coin?
Yes!
Wow! Good job! Now we need to find the Moony money. Thank you so much! Now we need to find the large yellow coin. Do you think you can help me?
Yes!
What would I do without you? We did it!
Wow!
Look, a customer just walked in. I'm about to make my first sale. Hello, what would you like to buy? This would be 3 large coins. Did you bring any Moony money with you?
No!
That's okay. Do you have your Moony credit card?
Yes!
Awesome. There you go. Thanks for shopping at Moony's Market. And don't forget, wave goodnight to the moon for me.